Hello, everybody. How you doing today? This is Color and Chat with Joanna, and I am Joanna, here to do da-da-da-da-da-da. I started unwrapping it already. Here's the knife in case you guys really love the ASMR. We have an unboxing. Not a brand new release, but one I have been waiting for a very patient long time. Her name is Winter Solace. I saw Rachel and Crafts unboxes, and I went hookity bookity all over it. I swear to God, I could not. I was like, this is so beautiful, and it reminded me so much of driving through those mountains. And so here we go. Okay, toolkit out. And big box out of the way. And boy, do I mean big. Gonna put the sticker on the box. You always get a little sticker, and you can put it on your box, put it in a logbook, do whatever you like. No wrong answers in diamond art painting. Okay. There we go. All right. Usually I do the toolkit after, but this time, did you see what I got at the last toolkit, you guys? Oh my God. It was like this little tiny, tiny heart. It looked like a piece of candy that I could swallow in one bite. I couldn't believe it. So I'm kind of trying to see what I get in this toolbox. Oh, another butterfly. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's got pink and blue and all the many, many things. I'm happy about him. Washi tape. This is a very good color washi tape. Nothing fancy, but universal. Heart wax, which is falling apart on me. Hold on. And put my heart wax back with my little lid. I have got the worst case of the clumsies, I swear. If clumsy were a skill, I would be Billy Gates when it came to money right now. I can't. I just clumsy out everything. Okay, and we'll put the little heart, the little butterfly away. All right. Let's put her aside for the moment and get to the star of the show. I don't know how much of this we're going to get in frame. I really probably should have done it out on the kitchen bar because I have that massive bar. But I wanted to try on the new desk to see if the sound and everything were good. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These drills are, oh, hey, did I say I like blue? Blue and purple and blue and purple and more purple and holy crud. Okay, that thing is wrapped up tight as a sausage. Now, Winter Solace, you get, let me see if I can pull this down without breaking it. Absolutely beautiful. I adore Abraham Hunter. I am not usually a landscape girl by any means, but he is bringing me there. Okay, it is 34 by 27, which is 88 by 70. Not unbearable because it looks massive. It looks like something I'd be working on for a month crying, but I think, I don't know. I don't know what I think yet. 37 colors. Has 1, 2, 3 ABs. A lavender, a beautiful pale mauvey pink, which I'm assuming is right here. That little girl. Can you see her? Yeah, I'm not opening these drills. I mean, this thing was wedged in the box to begin with, so there's no way that it will get back in any kind of orderly fashion. Let's go ahead and get her out. And we're going to roll her back because it's the only decent thing to do. And because she is port glue, we can do that. Now, if you're new to the sport and you get a diamond art painting and it's not port glue, don't roll it backwards. Horrible things will happen. But I want to get her all calmed down. Oh my God, she goes on. Something tells me, honey, where are the end? Okay, we're just going to give her a little roll out, and then she should come out very clearly. Are you ready? Yeah, there's no way. There's no way I can show this in this room. This is way... Hold on a minute. Bear with me, people. I'm going to try a little... a little something. Okay. All right. Are you getting at least a gist of it? Oh my goodness. All the blue. Oh, wow. Okay. I was pretty afraid of her at first, but look at all the color blocking. Look at all the L, L, H. Our numbers are going to be 1, 2, and 3. There's 3, which I find extremely unusual that 3 would be in that area. But it's kind of a... it's a tricky-dicky kind of girl. I don't think she'll be that bad. I really don't. All of this in here is J, which is 32, like the entire color J, right in here. Boom, done. I mean, if you have that for a square, you can get that done in 30, 45 minutes, especially with a multi-placer. And a multi-placer is your friend on this girl. The sky, many different shades of blue in the sky. I love her. She is everything I wanted her to be. I hope and pray that she renders the way that she looks right now, because it's hard to tell. But, yeah, looking at the colors, wow. I mean, can you even? Anyway, she's back in stock. I don't know for how long, because I know that she was a restock, and it took forever to get her in. So I encourage you to run and jump at it. It will be beautiful. You know, it has that Christmassy look about it, but it could also go through winter into spring before you tire of it and want to switch out in a different frame. Give her a try. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Remember, you're important to me, so please be important to you. Be kind to you. Be your own best friend. And do something nice for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.